Hello, Singapore. Today, we have something quite special for you. In the next 15 minutes, we are going to show you how agentic commerce can use crypto payment to change your lifestyle forever. As some of you might remember, I demoed crypto payment with Apple Pay a few months back in Dubai. In this picture, I'm simply buying coffee with crypto. For the first time ever, we connected Apple Pay to the world of blockchain, so anyone with a smartphone can simply connect to the internet and pay without any intermediary, like Visa or MasterCard. We made it significantly simple for humans to pay with crypto. Today, we are going to go agentic. We are going to connect agentic commerce to the same technology, blockchain technology, to unlock the true potential of agentic commerce. But before that, let me show you a couple of numbers. We have around 5 billion humans connected to the internet as of today. We have only 150 million agents. Some of them might transact or perform any financial transactions. Some of them may not. In just 3 years, that is going to change. You're going to see exponential growth and explosion on the agentic commerce side. We'll have 2 billion AI agents connected to the internet. In just 2 years after that, we will have 6 billion AI agents. More agents than human for the first time ever. And before we know it, we'll have infinite number of AI agents connected to the internet, and they are going to interact on behalf of us and changing our lifestyle forever. But there is another character of AI agents as well. Not only they are more than humans, but they are going to transact more than us as well. As a human, we just do 1 or 2 transactions per day, but agents, they do millions of transactions every day. Because of that, the market opportunity is huge. Right now, the market cap of agentic commerce is sub 10 billion. It's going to go to $1.7 trillion in just 5 years. It's going to change how we shop, and also it's going to be more than 50% of our e-commerce volume compared to the data we have today. So it's a big, huge market, and we need to be ready for that. But what are the problems of agentic commerce? Well, for decades, e-commerce was built for humans, by humans. All of us can remember time that we browse and then click here and there and punch in our credit card number and check out. This UI UX doesn't simply work for agentic commerce. We need to change that. But also, on top of that, the money as we know is not going to work for agentic commerce. It's broken. We need to change the concept of money to unlock the true potential of agentic commerce. For instance, agentic commerce or agents can transact millions of times a day, so we need a faster global network. Also, they do a lot of microtransaction. So one AI agent pays half a cent to another AI agent. We want to use Visa card or MasterCard or Wire. It just simply doesn't work. We need a new form of money that is global, that is programmable, and that is fast, insanely fast. It needs to be global because there is no border in the universe of AI. It needs to be programmable because we need to program it to do things in a certain way that we want it. And also it needs to be fast because we're talking about billions of transactions per day. Guess what? We already have that technology. It's called the blockchain technology and cryptocurrency. But the problem here is the agentic commerce is here and the blockchain is here. It's 2 separate universes. Until now, we are going to announce 3 revolutionary products today to connect these 2 universes for the first time ever. The first product we're going to announce, as you might guess, is Mesh AI. The second product is called Mesh Identity. And the third one is Mesh Wallet. Mesh AI, Mesh Identity, and Mesh Wallet. These are not three separate products. They are one product. They're bundled together because we want to give every tools that we had in our disposal to the AI agent so it can scale and transact on behalf of us. But that's not enough. We need to connect it to exchanges, credit cards, stablecoins, fiat, on-ramp, off-ramp, banks. And we know that agents, they need identity because they interact with one another, and also they interact with shops and merchants and also humans. And on top of that, they need wallet to be able to send and receive money that is connected to the blockchain. So we bundle all of these services together, which was extremely complex and hard, and we call it Mesh Wallet for AI. This is the first wallet as a service that is designed for AI technology, and it has the AI agentic commerce in mind. So for last 5 years at Mesh, we connected thousands of networks, tokens, brokerages, exchanges, wallets. So AI model now get connected to the financial universe and the blockchain universe in just 5 minutes. So we did the hard work so you don't have to. And we're going to demo that today. I have Brock here as my teammate. We're going to show you a quite interesting demo. You're good?
Should be all good.
So we have this app that we have built on top of Mesh Wallet as a service called Mesh AI or My. I can open it. You can see that is fairly simple. There is basically my name on top, and then there is a wallet address that is connected. So it has the identity. It has the wallet address. So it is ready to go. But I don't want to make the AI angry. So let's do a quick chit chat with the AI first. How are you doing? There you go. Okay, seems like everything is good. We are at TOKEN2049. We want to show some of your functionalities. Can you help us with that? Okay, seems like she's in a good mood. So we're going to start the demo. How much money do I have? So we have 40 PYUSD or PayPal USD that we're going to use to shop online. And because of like the e-commerce aspect of it, we thought like PYUSD is the best option here. So we're going to buy some dog food for my dog. So I'm going to ask her to find some options for us. Can you help us to buy some dog food for my dog? So it's going to search the internet and find a few options for us and tell us, yeah, so we have 3 options. The first one is $79.99. Bear in mind, I only have 40 PYUSD, which is equivalent to $40. So I literally cannot afford to buy this. But my Coinbase, through Mesh Connect, connected to this wallet, the agentic wallet, and it can top up that wallet from my Coinbase account. So I'm going to ask for option A. Let's go with option A. So it will start basically topping up my wallet. It tells me that I don't have enough money, and she needs to go and get money from my Coinbase account to top up this wallet. We call this technology smart funding, that basically converts in a smart way and then top up your wallet. So if you open the Coinbase right now, you can see, let's go to the
Transactions. There we go.
activity section. You can see that there is a transaction of PYUSD, and while you're looking at this, maybe you can minimize it now. If the demo god allows us, the transaction would go through, and we will see a big green check mark here that shows that the item is purchased. in a few seconds because it has to go and do all of that through Shopify API. Let's get it done. So it topped up my wallet. Now I have $80 and I can afford. There you go. As simple as that. So the receipt will be emailed to you. So you can go to the email and we can check that we sent $40 from Coinbase, and also this purchase is done 0 minutes ago. So we bought some pocket foods and we shipped it to Marina Bay Sands. So it's going to come our way in a few seconds. I think this was like no friction, no credit card, no form. It was fast. And in Singapore, things are fast as well. I think the delivery guy is here. So let me go grab the food. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the food that we just purchased. This is the first time an AI agent is buying something on behalf of human, a physical packaged good with a stablecoin. So you just witnessed history. So all good on the demo side. I think we can switch back to slides very quick. And as always, there is one last thing. Because this moment was important, and we wanted to register this moment in the history, we decided to submit this to the Guinness Book of World Records. So as the very first purchase of AI agent on behalf of human, and because all of you are here and contributed to this moment, I want you guys to be part of that as well. So I would like to take a selfie with all of you so we can submit that and attach that to the application as well, to the Guinness. So you will be on the Guinness book as well. Brock is taller than me, so maybe you can do the selfie for us. Okay. Everyone is ready?
Flip that around. All right.
Everyone says cheese or token.
Do a couple.
Maybe with mesh.
Yeah.
Awesome. This is the beginning of a new era for all of us. The same way that internet has changed everything in our life, agentic commerce will change how we shop and how we interact with each other. We will have billions of agents, trillions of dollars in a stablecoin payment, and we call it the new global economy. Agentic commerce is not coming. It is already here, and it starts now. And at Mesh, we're not watching it happen. We're building it. We're working with top companies like PayPal, Tempo, Coinbase, Google to build that future. If you're building an agentic commerce or AI or crypto, or you have a new idea, go check out meshpay.com and contact us. We'll love to talk to you and work with you. I really appreciate everyone coming out today to watch this moment with us and witness the first ever transaction of AI agent using a stablecoin. And this was a special moment for me, and I want to thank you, everyone. I appreciate it. Have a good day.